cleaning products. Have you ever walked down the supermarket aisle and gone through where all the household cleaning products are? I don't know about you, but I just about gag, I feel sick, I feel headachy. And so I actually get my husband or my children to run down the aisle and get me whatever I need, which might only be a sponge or a coat hanger or something. I don't buy any of the cleaning products. Inside those cleaning products, can you believe that they will disempower your children? What? How can that be a thriving life skill, Jane? That's ridiculous. All those chemicals there will make your children unwell, mentally, emotionally, chemically, and physically. That's the life skill. If we go back to the basics, such as lemon juice, bicarb soda, vinegar, all the things that you can ingest, that's all you need to clean with. When I was nursing and in pathology and autopsies, everything had to be aseptic. It had to be so clean. But what we did by making it so clean is we made ourselves so immune to everything that we are actually sicker than we used to be. Now, this is going back a long time ago. For those of you that will remember, or those that this might be new, when I started nursing, we used to have no air conditioning, and we would roll the patients out of the ward onto the veranda. We would open their wound up and allow the flies to land in their wound, lay their eggs, let the maggots eat the wound, clean it up, and then the maggots would naturally fall off. Ta-da! Aseptic. We think it's dirty, but it was the most cleanest thing, and it actually allowed the wounds to close up and be so healthy. Whereas when I left nursing, we had diseases like MRSA or golden staph, or RRSA, resistance golden staph, because it's resistant to all the antibiotics. And this constant cleaning, which means our body deteriorates and it doesn't become too immune to things. So let's go back to the household cleaning products. They're going to make children sick. I remember meeting a lady many years ago, and my heart broke and I burst into tears when she told me this story. She had got some dishwashing detergent that looked like tablets and put them underneath the sink and didn't think anything of it. Her little girl was 2 and thought they were lollies. They came in a lolly wrapper. She opened it up and she ate the dishwashing cleaning tablet. What happened was it burned all of the esophagus and everything within her, so that child was in hospital for 2 years and will never ever regain awareness or health in that area. Like, I burst into tears when I heard it. But the caustic soda is so abrasive to us. It has to be, especially when it's cleaning pipes and things. It needs to be abrasive, or does it? So let's go back to the household cleaning products. What if you stayed away from that aisle? What if you used the basics? A bit of lemon, a bit of elbow grease, a bit of water. What if you were cleaning the shower with water? What about with the mold if you just rubbed lemon juice within the growling? These particular things will support your children and teach them to not have the chemicals around them, to build a lifestyle that helps them mentally, emotionally, and physically. So, find a different alternative. There's so much information out there. Gosh, go explore.